Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today I kind of want to reorganize our coat closet, I would say. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you guys do, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you guys have not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. So I do not want to make the intro long, so let's just go ahead and get right into it. We seriously have like a ton of board games up there that kind of want to organize this. There's a ton of stuff down here, a lot of shoes, more shoes, and just a mess. I'm just gonna organize it and make it look a little more decent. So here I'm just starting off by removing everything out of the closet. That way I can actually see what needs to go and what needs to stay. Down the days to call you mine. In the end, I know that we will be just fine. What I found in you, I know it's hard to find. You're my world, my everything. You are my life. You from the moment that we met. The sparkle in your eye, I can't forget. Every single day, you know you shine. In the end, I know that we will be just fine. What I found in you, I know it's hard to find. So I realized that we have like 2 sets of chess and what is it called, the other one? Anyways, I always try to convince Ruben that we need one because we don't own any. Apparently we own 2, so I guess it all worked out that I cleaned this closet. So I thought that one basket was going to be enough, but apparently we have way too many board games. So what do you guys think? Should I just leave them like this? Do they look good enough, or should I just get another basket? Please let me know what you guys think down below. I would really appreciate your input.
I know you feel like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions. I need some space to think this through. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints and a hard to see. Right on the line.
My OCD is pretty bad, so I definitely had to color coordinate this closet, even though maybe I know in 2 days it's gonna be back the same, but it's fine. I mean, we reach for these items pretty often, so I don't know, I just had to get it done or else I wouldn't be content. So yep, I had to do it.
Feels like I could break at any moment and shatter your insides. If you feel my mind, call me all night long. Try to give you hints that are hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I know. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I promise, now's not the right time. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie, I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight, I would rather lie to you. If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. Call me all night long. Try to give you hints that are hard to see. Right on the line, no. Losing it on you's the last thing I If I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I promise, now's not the right time. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie to you. I would rather lie, I would rather lie. I don't wanna fight, I would rather lie to you. I'm honest, I'll just make you cry. And I don't wanna fight with you, I would rather lie. I would rather lie.
So I'm just gonna finish it off by vacuuming the area. It looks so much better, I feel so much happier, and I just want to thank you guys for sticking around till the end of the video. Yeah, I appreciate you guys, and yeah. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys liked the video. And if you guys did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you guys have not. Anyways, thank you guys for your time, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.